Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. On a 50 MW solar plant, performance doesn't collapse overnight. It erodes, a fraction of a percent at a time, a hot spot here, soiling there, a slightly underperforming string that never gets flagged. Individually, these losses look insignificant, but financially, they compound. A 1% sustained loss over the life of a plant doesn't just reduce energy output. It directly compresses IRR, it increases effective LCOE, and it shifts your entire return profile. This is not a maintenance issue, it's a detection and attribution problem. Let's break down where ROI leakage actually happens. Not in theory, but in real operating portfolios. Soiling is non-uniform, loss is not evenly distributed. Certain blocks degrade faster. Cleaning decisions are often site-wide, not targeted. You either overpay for cleaning or leave revenue unrecovered. Thermal hotspots are caused by microcracks, soldering defects, and bypass diode failures. They rarely trigger alarms. They cause persistent string-level underperformance. Inverter clipping occurs during peak irradiance. It is seen as normal in SCADA. This results in lost peak generation windows. Curtailment is a grid-side constraint. It looks like controlled output. It causes revenue loss without downtime. Tracker misalignment involves small angle errors. They are hard to detect at scale. They cause continuous energy loss across rows. All of these are small, distributed, and persistent, which makes them difficult to detect and easy to ignore. This is where drones enter the system. Drones are not just visualization tools, but a data acquisition layer. Inspection quality depends on altitude, overlap flight speed, and time of day. Thermal inspections require high irradiance and stable weather. Thermal imaging detects temperature differentials. Thermal indicates symptoms, not diagnoses. Inspection frequency matters. Too infrequent, and faults persist too long. Too frequent creates data overload without action. Optimal cadence depends on site size, failure rates, and operational strategy. Drones scale inspection, but they do not scale interpretation. AI converts raw data into decisions. AI distinguishes hotspots from soiling and cell defects from shadowing. AI ranks defects by severity, persistence, and estimated energy impact. AI is not perfect with challenges like reflections, weather noise, and misclassification. High-quality systems use cross-validation confidence scoring and human in-the-loop review. Without quality assurance, AI becomes another noise layer. With quality assurance, AI becomes a decision engine. Detection alone does not create value, attribution does. Every identified defect must answer how many kWh are lost, what is the revenue impact, and what is the payback of fixing it. A fault causing 0.3% loss on a 50 MW plant over 1 year translates into measurable energy loss and direct revenue reduction. If repair cost is low, the action is immediately ROI positive. Uncorrected losses reduce annual cash flow, extend payback, and lower project valuation. Higher losses increase effective cost per unit energy. When defects are quantified, financially, maintenance becomes investment optimization. The emerging approach connects drone data, AI classification, and electrical topology, so every fault is mapped to exact string inverter and revenue at risk. This closes the loop between detection diagnosis and financial decision-making. If you are evaluating any AI and drone solution, check data quality, detection accuracy, financial mapping, and workflow integration. Ensure proper flight protocols, valid thermal conditions, and high detection accuracy with low false positives. Verify that kWh maps to revenue and ROI, and that workflows cover detection, action, and verification. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.